Hey guys, no need to fear the blue screen error. We have the solution to get you back on track. Just follow my screen to fix this issue. Now click on Advanced Options, then select Troubleshoot, select Advanced Options, and then select Command Prompt. It will open Command Prompt window. Now execute this command carefully. Type chkdsk /f/r c : and hit enter to execute this command. Now we need to type this command c : and simply press enter. Now type cd space c : / and hit enter to execute the command. Type cd space Windows and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd space system32 and we need to execute this command. For that, simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type cd space config and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type md space backup and simply hit enter. Now type copy space *** space backup and hit enter. Now type md backup1 and hit enter. Now type copy *** backup1 and simply hit enter to execute the command. Type in cd space regback and hit enter to execute the command. Then type dir and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type in copy space *** space .. and then hit enter. After that, type all and again hit enter to execute the command. Now type bootrec space /fixmbr and simply hit enter. Now type in bootrec space /fixboot and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type in cd space c : / and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd space Windows /system32 /config /regback and hit enter to execute. Now type this command bcdedit space /exports space c : / bcd backup, then hit enter. Now execute this command. Type cd space c : / and hit enter. Now type md space boot and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type cd space boot and simply hit enter. Now type md space bcd and simply hit enter. Type cd space c : / and hit enter. Type attrib c : / boot /bcd -h -r -s and hit enter. Now type run space c : / boot /bcd space bcd.old, then hit enter. Now type bootrec space /rebuildbcd and simply hit enter. Type exit and hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you are good to go.